Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Before we get into this video, if you're not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and make sure to give me some likes, some thumbs up if you like this video. So today I'm going to be reviewing Bodyworks, and I'm going to be reviewing their Papaya Castor line that they sent me, and they sent me their full line, which consists of the scalp cleanser, the foam conditioner, the conditioning hair dress, and the nourishing curl jam. So that's what I'm going to be reviewing today. And then this hairstyle right here will be on a separate tutorial, separate video. So yeah, just make sure you guys leave me some likes, and then I'll make sure to upload this one after this video right here. And that's it. Let's get into this video. So this is what my hair is looking like after I rinsed out that shampoo, and I am shocked. Like, my curls look really healthy and shiny and defined, which is really weird because I mean, I didn't even put any conditioner in my hair yet, and look at this. I don't understand. But when you apply it, it kind of feels like a co-wash. Not really a shampoo. It doesn't set up or anything. You just kind of rub it in your scalp and just kind of cleanse your scalp, but it definitely feels like a co-wash. You're gonna see that it's kind of like, it's not like the typical texture of a shampoo. It's kind of like a creamy, it's weird, okay? But it did a good job cleansing my scalp, and look at my curls. So now I'm gonna go in with the Papaya Castor foam conditioner, and I've never used a foam conditioner before, so don't really know how this is gonna work. It says generously apply on damp hair shaft down to ends. Do not rinse. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. Okay, so I already went ahead and styled my hair. This will be in a separate video. So now I'm just gonna show you guys how I use the products, even though this is my first time, so we will see how it comes out. And I also want to say that I recreated this look from Sunkissedcurls on Instagram and then Diamond Candy TV on Instagram. So they were the inspiration behind this recreation of this style. And it's actually pretty cute. Normally I don't do styles like this because I feel like it makes me look like really, really young, and I am like 26. So yeah. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with this small section. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Papaya Castor foam conditioner, and this is definitely reminds me of a mousse. I already used it on this side, the top of my hair, and it says generously apply on damp hair shaft down to ends. Do not rinse. So this is what you would, I guess, use after the shampoo. So I'm just gonna apply one pump. I normally don't like mousses because they kind of make it hard to work with, in my opinion. So I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle with my Denman brush. So next I'm gonna go in with the conditioning hair dress, and this says to just apply a small amount to hair and style. So that's what I'm going to do. It's like really thick. I kind of don't know how I'm supposed to use this. It's like really thick. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the nourishing curl jam and see how that works. Different texture. This is way more like a hair milk texture. Take some more and apply it to my ends. I'm gonna go in with the foam conditioner again. Do 2 pumps this time. And apply that to my hair. I thought it would have more slip. I don't know. It's like making my hair hard. Mousses don't really work with my hair, even though it's like a conditioner that just comes out like that. So now I'm gonna go in with the nourishing jam and apply it from root to end. Okay, so this is my hair with all of the product in, and I'm loving the definition, so I'm hoping it turns out great once it dries. In the next clip, I'm going to be applying the scalp massaging serum to my scalp, and just make sure to really get it all in between those parts, and then I'm going to do the rest of my head and massage it as well. And that's pretty much it.
Off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Smoke, smoke, smoke.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.